If you or someone you know loves a clean car, then you have to check out this car detailing kit. It comes with everything you need, including this microfiber cloth that works really well, a storage bag. I love these 2 different types of brushes, and then it comes with 3 different color of gel packs. I love that it has a storage bag so you can keep everything you need in the bag, and then it's also really easy to grab with you on the go or to just even store in your car or wherever. I love that you can all just fit it into this bag. My car needs a really good cleaning right now, so I just wanted to show you some of these things. I loved this brush because it was firm enough to wipe the dust away, but also small enough to get in the little cracks. The microfiber cloth wiped my screen down wonderfully, and I love these gels. These are so great because they can get into any of these little tiny cracks and little areas that is hard for other places to reach. I love that there's 3 of them. They work really well. You just rub them all in there, and again, it gets into these little areas that not other things can. This is a great kit, and you should definitely check it out.